What's going on, everyone? Long time no see. Today we are at Stanislaus and we're gonna go trout fishing. Let's gear up and let's get down there. Now, I have been gone for a minute, but that doesn't mean I haven't been fishing. Life and everything, I've been busy, but I still find time to get out on the water. I will say it is hotter than Satan's asshole right now. I also don't have a good pair of waders. I'm still using the ones from Amazon. So I'm gonna be sweaty in here. It is so hot right now, so make sure to always put on sunscreen. Don't forget the face. Don't want to get old and wrinkly. Ugh. Here's the Fitskis. Boom. Uniqlo UV jacket on, Arc'teryx hat, Oakley flak jackets, $50 Amazon waders. Ooh. I mean, we're fly fishing. It's like 1,000,000 degrees out right now, and these shady spots are a godsend. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Oh my god. This water feels amazing right now. I hope you just want to sit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Oh. I just want to dunk my whole body in this water at the moment. Borrowing my boy's fly rod because I don't own one. This is a Orvis Clearwater. 5 watt, 5 weight, 9 foot 5 weight, brothers. All right. Oh my god. Got our indicator all the way up to this bug with legs. Bug with legs. Let's go. Do I remember how to do this? Probably not. Oh my gosh. Brother, I am messing up right now. My first time drinking filtered water, guys.
Did you put this back? Yeah. You want me to leave this on? Yeah, you can just leave it on. It'll probably filter some more.
Tastes like heaven in a bottle.
Yeah.
We're gonna change lures. Let's tie on this bad boy, I don't know. Oh! Ow! What the fuck? No! My pliers just broke, that's crazy.
Okay, but take the bobber off
Uh-huh.
and then kind of do what I was doing.
What?
So just kind of let it swing across the current like this.
Okay.
And when they hit it, don't set the hook.
Okay.
Just let them grab it and then they'll turn and they'll set the hook themselves.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cast it straight across. Not even good enough. All the way across. And then have a tight line.
Okay. So it gets to them?
Yeah, so it gets to them and it like swings right in front of their face.
Okay, okay. Come on!
Oh,
I wish.
God.
I think it's time for my Chick-fil-A. My depression Chick-fil-A. I've missed 2 fish today. Fantastic. Look at all that cheese. Wow. I might just switch to spin fishing tomorrow. I'll let the other guys fly fish.
Those other guys are at. First you should know. You have CPR training, bro.
Okay, it's CPR training, not freaking rattlesnake attacking training.
That's like part of it. What does a fox say, guys?
Bigfoot.
Nothing now, because it's day.
Oh my gosh. This is the deep. Oh, they're here. There's one place they are, they're here. Oh my God. I think that was just the current, huh? Yes! Yes!
There you go.
Yes!
Get to the right of you.
Yes! Whoa!
Yeah, he got one.
Get your ass in there. Oh my God.
Dude, this is a big
It's a
one.
fighter.
This is a big one.
Get it! Andrew, I can't see!
I can't see him either, bro.
Put on your sunglasses! Oh my God, Andrew! Oh my God, he's such a fighter! He's right there to you!
Yeah, bring him up that way and then
Alright. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm stepping on my line.
there you go.
No. You know what? Do this much.
Yeah.
To you, straight to you.
Fuck, dude, I cannot see shit. Yeah, head up, head up, head up. Head up.
Yes! 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 Oh my goodness. Yeah. Wild?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, beautiful. All right. Thank you, little guy, I love you. The skunk is off. There's so many flies on this tree right there. I have to hit it. I have to get it. So I'm gonna find a stick. I'm gonna try to get them all because I think free flies are the best flies, yeah? Good enough. For the free! Look at that.
Dude,
One,
that's like 20 bucks.
2, 3, 4. We just came up and we caught a fish. Let's freaking go. We made it back. My waders are absolutely disgusting right now. My foot is soaked. Dude.
I am wet. This is disgusting.
Look at this. Dude, I could wring out my sock. Watch this, guys. Hey, can we just appreciate these two foreigners? Oh my God, look at this view, guys. This is what it's all about. Isn't this what it's all about?
Yes, it is what it's all about.
Tahini tomato.
Barbara.
The guy that posted the 1 hour loop of a fireplace.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, that guy's a fucking genius.
Dude, he probably hits it big during Christmas.
Millions of views, dude.
Back in our spot. Today we have an ultralight spinning rod. Got my 7-foot ultralight Defy Silver 13 Fishing Daiwa Fuego 1000 with 4-pound braid. Our first lure today is going to be a mini jig. We're gonna do a 2-fly method. We'll use the new ones that we found yesterday. Bobber, split shot, first nymph, second nymph. You got one? Nice.
Already? They're here.
They're blowing up right around me. I've never used a rooster tail before until today. Hear them like blowing up right in front of me. So I feel like a rooster tail might be cool. Got one. Got one. Oh my god, I got one. Whoa, this is huge. Oh.
Oh, that's huge! Dude, that's massive.
Oh, it's a huge brown. It's a huge brown. Yo. Yo.
12 o'clock, but the count restarts.
Spinner's off. Oh my god. Slam this thing. My rod. It's on the floor. It's in there. Fuck it.
12 o'clock, but the count restarts.
Spinner's off. Beautiful. Beautiful, of course. Oh my god. Thank you, good sir. Swim off. I love you. We're about to go to some rapids. Oh man, that spot looks crazy. Oh, brother. Come on. There's got to be fish here. Oh yeah, I see him, I see him. I need to get on this rock right here. Smaller rock. Cast into there, biting. Yep, got him. No! No! Got him. Yes! No! No!